My name is Carrie Palayo, and I'm proud to be the Executive Director of the Greater Utica Chamber of Commerce. And we are here at Steet Ponte Nissan to celebrate. I didn't want to mix them up and do it backwards. to celebrate the extensive renovations here at this Nissan dealership. It looks absolutely tremendous. I'm sure if you've driven by at night, you've seen the glowing lights and how great it looks, especially with the snow. But we want you to come inside and explore inside and see everything that's been done here because they've done a great job. I'd like to introduce Chris Gardner, who is the general manager here, and he's going to say a few words about the renovation, introduce the executive team, and talk about what we're celebrating here today. Yeah. Chris?
Yeah, well, thanks for joining us, and thank you for everybody to take some time out of your day to be a part of this. Thank you to the staff. The last 6 to 8 months has been fun for everybody. I think it's been awesome to see what the final outcome was. The staff here has been great. We're supported by a fantastic ownership team with the Pontes and the Steets, and just a fantastic team of individuals who represent Nissan and represent the Steet Ponte name. So we appreciate everybody for being here, and we're really excited to have this launch us into the spring and kind of overlap with Nissan's overall projection of where they're going as a brand. So thanks again for coming.
Yeah. So in addition to the chamber, we have some people here who would like to celebrate today's accomplishments. The assembly is in session, but I do have Alex from Assemblywoman Buttonshaw's office here to provide you with a certificate.
Hi, my name's Alexandra, and unfortunately the Assemblywoman couldn't make it today because she's in Albany. But on behalf of the New York City Assembly, I'd like to present you the certificate.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Very much. Thank you.
And we also have a plaque here today to celebrate from the chamber. So I'll give you this.
Good afternoon, everybody. Joe, Steve, and the rest of the Steets and the Pontes and everybody else in the Nissan family here. Our ribbon cuttings are sponsored by Solvay Bank, a trusted community bank committed to serving the Mohawk Valley since entering the market last year by fostering growth and reinvesting into the region, all under Matt Nichols' lead, who is here to present to you.
Thank you. Well, congratulations. It looks great in here. On behalf of the Chamber, its members, the Young Catalyst Group, its board, all of its members, we want to celebrate this ribbon cutting and present you with this plaque.
Beautiful. Thank you. How's that?
And we had it made exactly in the colors of what it looks like right in here, just for you. So we want you to come on down and check out everything that's here. We do make those in-house, so they're great. And I think who's actually gonna do the cuts?
I think we'll do it.
Chris, you're
I think it's gotta be
the one that did this whole thing. He's the manager.
Before we actually do the cut, we're all gonna put our hands on the ribbon for good luck, and we're gonna look and take some official photographs. We got Grace over here. So we're gonna look over here at Grace. Grace, give everybody a wave so they know who they're looking at. All right, over here.
Oh, okay. That's close enough.
Close enough is right. Okay.
All right, and then on the count of 3, Steet Ponte Nissan, okay? 1, 2.
Like cutting
Oh
this?
yeah, you got it. Yeah.
All right, ready?
Ready? Nice, swift
No,
cut.
yep,
Okay.
you got it.
1, 2, 3. Steet Ponte Nissan! Congratulations.
Nice job.
Good job. May this renovation take you through a number of years because it's absolutely beautiful in here. And we're so excited to watch you to continue to grow. You've got a great shop down here. And I know that the Steet Ponte family has provided a number of refreshments. So don't rush out the door. Stay and linger and look for your next ride.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.